Research question we are trying to answer is whether Tamarisk legacy soil will affect the willows and whether a drought will have more of an effect with the Tamarisk legacy soil or without the Tamarisk legacy soil.
We're going to measure it by separating the two with non-drought and drought and putting different plants in either Tamarisk legacy soil or non-Tamarisk legacy soil and seeing what happens.
Measuring their height every month as the test goes on. At the end of the test, take the plants out of the soil and measure their roots and their shoots.
We think the results will be synergistic, where the drought and the Tamarisk legacy soil will have a compounding effect and will not be good.